I'm Seema, student of MSc Chemistry Honors first year. First of all, we'll take the benzaldehyde in a test tube. With the help of the dropper, we will take the benzaldehyde in a test tube. After that, we add the few drops of the ethanol in it. And shake it. After adding the ethanol, we will add the 2,4-DNP in it. After adding the dinitrophenyl, we will heat it on the water bath. After heating the water bath, it appears the orange PPT is formed. It means aldehyde group is present. This is test for the aldehyde group.